Hello and welcome to our channel about gardening and plant care. Today we're talking about Agave Octopus. Agave Octopus, also known as the Queen Victoria agave, is a hybrid succulent plant. It is a relatively new cultivar that was created in the early 21st century by crossbreeding two different agave species. It was first introduced in the horticultural market in 2005 and quickly gained popularity due to its unique appearance. Agave Octopus is a perennial plant that grows in a rosette shape. It is known for its long, thin leaves that resemble tentacles, giving it the appearance of an octopus. The leaves are a pale green color with dark green stripes and edges lined with small, sharp thorns. It can grow up to 3 to 4 feet tall and wide and typically takes 5 to 10 years to reach maturity. It produces a tall flower spike that can reach up to 10 feet tall with yellow flowers that bloom in the summer. Agave Octopus is a hardy plant that can withstand a variety of growing conditions. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-draining soil. It is drought tolerant and can withstand periods of dryness, but it also benefits from regular watering during the growing season. It is hardy in USDA zones 9 through 11 and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. Agave Octopus is a striking plant that can be used as a focal point in a garden or as a part of a succulent display. It pairs well with other succulents such as cacti, yuccas, and other agave varieties. It can also be planted with grasses, perennials, and shrubs to add texture and contrast to a garden. Agave Octopus is primarily grown as an ornamental plant. It is a low-maintenance plant that adds a unique and exotic element to gardens and patios and indoor spaces. The leaves can be used to make a natural fiber, ropes, and baskets, and the sap of the plant can be used to make a sweet syrup or ferment it into tequila-like drink. However, the plant should be used with caution, as the sap and thorns can cause skin irritation and injury. That's it for today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and information. Thanks for watching.